Hello, boys and girls. So today we are going to dive into complex sentences. Complex just reminds me of the word like complicated. So it means that Jim went to the store and he went to the park. So you're combining two simple sentences. All right, so we've gone over that last week. This week we're going to talk about a coordinating conjunction and a subordinating conjunction. Big words for 5th grade, but we will be just fine with them. So a coordinating conjunction joins two words or word groups. So I'm going to make sure we write that in our notebooks. So today, state, and I'm going to write coordinating. Coordinating, the word itself means to go together. So coordinating conjunctions join word or word groups of the same kind. So for example, if you have two nouns within, or two independent clauses. All right, and we will practice this more later. I know you guys are like, woo, what is this, Miss Sanders? But once we practice it, you will start getting it. I just need you to take these notes for now. So that is what a coordinating conjunction is. Okay, then we dive back in and we've got subordinating conjunction. So a subordinating conjunction tells where, when, why, or how. So for example, we would say after, although, as, because, before, if, since, so, that, until, when, while. Now, we are definitely going to make sure that we have all those included in our notes because we can use our notes for our work and for our quizzes, so we want to make sure we have that information. So, a subordinating conjunction connect two relating ideas telling us where, when, how, or why something's going on. So, example, and I put in EX and I usually do a dot. For example, we would use after, although, as, because, if, since, until, when, and while. And I'm going to put an example in here so you guys know what they're talking about. So, an example. Jim went to the store because, there's my subordinating conjunction, because he needed milk. So the because part tells us why, if up here, remember, why tells us why he went to the store. So we're connecting two ideas, and we're using the words of either telling us why, when, where, or how something happens. Okie doke. Back to our slide. A compound sentence. That is what we also did last week. It contains two simple sentences joined together by a comma, then a conjunction. I remember after grading last week that some of us forgot to put the conjunction after the comma, or forgot the comma before the conjunction. So just make sure when you are combining the two ideas, you have the comma, then the conjunction. Okay, we don't have to write that in our notes because we've already done that. I do want us to get into